At Mocketi River, the day begins in a quiet stillness. On a distant rock sits an African black duck, perfectly adapted to life along fast-moving rivers and rocky streams. Unlike many ducks that feed in open water, this species prefers shallow current where it can forage for insects, seeds, and aquatic plants. As we move closer, the details emerge. The dark plumage, the pale face markings, and the calm vigilance of a bird that thrives in this riverine habitat. At Hyena Dam, a breeding herd of impalas graze across the grassland. Some feed peacefully, while others lift their head to scan for danger. In the wild, survival depends on constant awareness. Look closely at their backs and necks. Red-billed oxpeckers cling to the impalas, picking through their fur in search of ticks and other parasites. This is a classic example of mutualism, a relationship in which both species benefit. The oxpeckers gain food, while the impalas reduce the burden of parasites that can weaken them or spread diseases. The birds are also act as early warning sentinels, often reacting quickly to approach predators. Nearby, a leopard tortoise grazes methodically on grass and leaves. Despite its slow pace, this reptile is an efficient herbivore. Its strong beak-like mouth is designed for cropping tough vegetation. Its digestive system can process fiber plants materials that many animals cannot use effectively. Leopard tortoises are selective feeders. They often choose nutrient-rich shoots and flowers when available, helping them maintain water balance and energy in dry savanna environments. Nagolomon Dam is one of the park's most important wetlands, serving as critical dry season refuge for wildlife and water birds. Today, the wetland is dominated by African sacred ibises. Their white plumage bright against the water. These birds probe mud and shallow pools for insects, crustaceans, and small aquatic animals. A juvenile black-crowned night heron searches quietly for a meal. Young birds are mottled brown and heavily streaked, very different from the sleek black and white adults they will become. Long-toed lapwings give sharp alarm calls, warning nearby birds and chicks for potential threats. On the roadside, pawing lapwing stand watchful and alert. A three-banded plover poses to sunbathe, spreading warmth through its body feathers, an important behavior for thermoregulation and feather maintenance. A Maasai giraffe strayed across the plains with effortless grace. On its neck and shoulders, yellow-billed oxpeckers work relentlessly through the fur. Ticks often hide in difficult places, around the ears, under folds of skin, and along the mane, but the oxpeckers search everywhere. Their specialized claws allows them to cling securely even as the giraffe walks. Further out, a white rhino grazes with its calf nearby. White rhinos are primarily grass eaters, using their wide, square lips to crop vegetation close to the ground. Calves stay close to their mothers for protection and land feeding routes, and social behavior through constant association. Not all wildlife is large and dramatic. A white-browed kukal perches in a dense vegetation. Its deep bubbling call carrying through the grass. Helmeted guinea fowl move in a family group. Adults guide their chicks while they forage for seeds, insects, and small invertebrates. A crested francolin freezes at the edge of corner. When alarmed, the crest rises prominently, making the bird appear larger and more conspicuous to rivals or threats. From the grasslands comes the persistent call of cisticola, one of the park's many small songbirds whose voices often reveal them before they are seen. Above it all, a long-crested eagle scans the landscape from a perch, watching for rodents and small prey in the open savanna.
So close to the city, yet wild and wide. Nature and
burst of motion, a yellow-necked sparrow dashes across the track, reminding us how quickly life in the bush can shift from stillness to speed. The last light settles over Nairobi National Park. From riverbanks and wetlands to grassland and predators trail, a single day here reveals the extraordinary connection that sustains this ecosystem. Every bird, mammal, reptile, and insect playing a role in the rhythm of the wild.